Hey guys, what's up? It's RityDIY, and today we are going to be trying to make some resin foil coasters. And I got this idea off of one of those like Snapchat subscriptions. I think it's called Crafty, and it's where they do like the really fast moving DIYs. And so go check them out, of course. That's where I got this idea from. I ordered all this stuff off of Amazon. So of course, as always, I link everything down in the description box below. That way, if you want to make them too, that's what I used specifically. So this is my first ever resin project. I bought this brand, which technically I got this one from Michael's. It was kind of expensive, but I think it's always kind of expensive. But this one is also on Amazon, so I'm linking it too. Yeah, so we're gonna figure out how to use that. Might have to change out of my cute jumpsuit for it, I don't know. So I got two different sizes and shapes of coasters. So I have the square, and then I have these really cute hexagon shaped coaster things, and it comes with two of each. I got this stuff, which this is polish for glass and metal and some other stuff. Metal, plastic, fiberglass, polish. So makes it nice and pretty at the end. And then I love this little zipper for this foil. I don't know why I love it so much, but it's just really nice. And I got a lot of different colors of foil. So I'm not sure. Oh wow, this is so, like, I'm gonna have to be super delicate. So there's gold foil. It's like these really, like, you have to be really careful or it'll flake off. Silver. And this beautiful rose gold. And you see how like delicate you have to be, like it just falls apart. Which is good for what we're doing, but... So like I said, this is my first resin project. We're just gonna wing it and go for it. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I wanna make these. And also... Okay, so I just ran to Michael's really quick because I forgot I needed this and I did not have it to go with the resin. Also, whew, I'm out of breath. Also, I'm a basic white girl today. So, okay, let's do a DIY. So here's the instructions. Does not make any sense to me. I don't know if I'm being dumb, but it's like saying I don't know what it's saying. First thing I suggest is absolutely don't do this inside the house. Even if you ventilate, this stuff smells really bad. Second thing, probably don't use a kitchen knife to open things or to stir, as you'll see later on, but that's what I had available, so that's what I used. Go ahead and use the measurements on the back of the packaging to determine how much of each thing that you need. The resin I used actually didn't even end up being enough for how many I wanted to do, so I would probably overestimate, and then stir it so that it'll start heating up. And then go ahead and pour just about to the top in each of the molds. Leave a little bit of room just because whatever you're putting in there, whether it be foil or something else, you'll have it rise a little bit. Next, break up your foil, sprinkle it as you wish, do whatever you'd like, and however much you'd like. I also stirred it around a little bit and kind of pressed it in so that it would sink a little bit. That way it would look more like it's floating in the coaster and not just that it's sitting on the bottom of the coaster. And on this one, I went ahead and just mixed a couple colors instead of just the one. What I will say also about the resin, it dries really fast. So you can see in this one, it's a little bit more gooey. So definitely work fast if you can. And then let them dry for the appropriate amount of time. I would say extremely pay attention. They take longer to dry than you think. And then when you're done, just slowly remove the molds off of each coaster. I would pay close attention to corners. Those definitely get caught up when you're pulling it off. And then you can also use the polish on them if you'd like to make them extra glossy. The polish I used, I actually didn't like how it looked after, so I would suggest maybe doing one and seeing which one you like better. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to subscribe down below, give the video a thumbs up, and comment below